Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you some very attractive and beautiful lace doilies patterns ideas, and I have shared the tutorial videos of almost all of these designs already on my channel. So you can check out the tutorial videos which are available on my channel of all of these designs as well. All of the patterns which I am sharing in this video are beginner friendly. As you can see, these are round doilies pattern, and this one is made into different contrasting color schemes. I will quickly share the making pattern of these designs in this video as well. So you can see this pattern is started from the center in round shape, and this is simple round double crochet stitch pattern with chain 1 at some points, as you can see. So this is creating a line in this pattern, and after that you can see here is a V stitch line, and then on this V stitch shell stitch pattern is made. Then this same pattern is made with this light gray color again, and then again same pattern is proceeded with pink color. So this is a very beautiful lace doily. You can use this same pattern to make rugs as well if you want. So all you need to make is just increasing some rows inside of this circle, and then the same border edge pattern will be made, and you can use more thick yarn to make a rug. So I hope you guys like this idea. Now I will be sharing second idea of lace doily. So this is the second pattern. This pattern is also available on my channel. Video tutorial is available. You can check the video tutorial if you are interested in making this design. So this pattern is a granny strip pattern design in round shape. You can see this is a granny round design started from the center, having set of 2 or 3 double crochet stitches at different points, and then at the end shell stitch border pattern is made. So this design is super easy and quick to make, and you can make it in larger size as well. You can use it as rug. You can make 6 or 8 pieces for dining table, and you can make smaller sized coaster or mug rug with this same pattern as well. All you need to have is just this much round, and you with these rounds you can make this final border edge pattern after these rounds, and then you can use it as coaster. So this one is the second design. So this one is another design. Tutorial video of this design is also available. This is also very attractive and beautiful pattern, and this is simple round pattern. Some rounds are made as solid double crochet rounds, and after that you can see shell stitch rounds are made with increasing pattern along with a post stitch lining between these shell stitches. So you can see this is creating a very beautiful textured pattern and lining. And for border edge pattern, this is simple border, which is simple slip stitch and chain 1 pattern, and then around this solid line surface stitching is made, which is also giving very attractive and beautiful look to this lace doily. So this is the final look and pattern. This color is not very clear because of the red background, but this is very beautiful pattern, and you can make it in any color scheme. So hope you guys like this idea as well, and tutorial videos of all of these ideas are already available on my channel. Now I will be sharing with you next pattern. So here is another pattern which is in a bit larger size. This is also very attractive textured pattern, as you can see, and this pattern is having some solid double crochet rounds, only 3 rounds, and after these rounds you can see pattern is proceeded, which is of double crochet stitch and post stitch. This is front post double crochet and this is shell stitch. This shell stitch is made with continuous increasing pattern after some rounds, and then this beautiful pattern is made. And this one is also available on my YouTube channel, you can check it out. And also you can convert it to different other crochet projects as well. You can use it as rug, and other than rug you can also use it as cushion cover or pillow cover, as round cushion pattern. So this very pattern can be used to make 16 by 16 or even 20 by 20 inches size of round cushion. So this is another pattern, and this one is my favorite. You can see this is a very beautiful pattern made in yellow and white color, and this pattern is continuously changing. You can see started from the center we have some first solid double crochet stitch round, then we have double crochet plus chain one round, after that we have two solid rounds, then again chain one pattern round, and after that we have shell stitch pattern round, which is having an increase between shell stitches, and this increase is of chain pattern, you can see. And after that this is a strawberry stitch pattern, pineapple stitch pattern, which is made with white color. So this is the final look. This one is in larger size. The same pattern can be used as doily and with same strawberry stitch pattern at this point and this point, and then repeating at this point. You can use it as a rectangular table cover as well. So the same pattern can be converted into table runner as well if you want. So I hope you guys like this idea as well. You can take a screenshot of this design and you can make it by yourself at home just with the help of picture if you know crochet work. So here is another pattern. This one is not in round shape. This is a hexagon pattern, and this pattern is also granny pattern and having shell stitch border edge pattern on it. Beautiful simple 5 petal flowers are added on it, and this is also used as dining table doily, and you can use it as rug as well. All of the patterns which I have shared in this video can be used as doormats or rugs as well. So all of these patterns are beginner friendly and I hope you guys like it. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Check out the tutorial videos available on my channel as well, and share this video with crochet lovers in your circle so that they can also get benefit from these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.